Hi everyone, I am Anan. I'm going to teach you Khmer. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to write all of 23 Khmer vowels. So let's learn how to write them. So I'm still using the box to locate where the consonant can be. Now let's start with the first vowels. So, this is this is the consonant and we put like this. Start from the left to the right and go down. This Now the next one is e. Do like this. From the right to the left, curve up and down like this. This is e. Next one is a. 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 Like this. You do like this e, but we have this. Okay. So this is a. A. Now it's similar, but we reach here and we make a circle back like this. Yeah, like this. This is up. Now it's similar, but we have two of this. So it's like this. Uh, uh, like this. Now move to the next vowel. This is O, like this. Below the consonant, O. O. And now O, similar to O, but we go up one more time, like this. Go down and up. Down and up, like this. Now, Ua is similar to O, but let's see, it has it like this. It has a kick like this in the middle. So this is Ua. These three vowels stay below the consonant. So next is A. Is like this. We make it similar to the number 6, but we start from the bottom, not from the top like this. Start from here. And we put this. So this is A. And like this. This A. Right. So the next vowel is the same, but this one is like this. Right here we put this. So this is we write it like this. Like this. Next Next one is srap ear. Srap ear similar to srap ear. It has this toe. Now we go up and like this. This is srap ear. Srap ear. Srap ear. Srap ear. And now the next vowel is this one alone. So this one alone we call srap a. This is srap a. Srap a is similar to the number 6, but it starts from the bottom to the top like this. So srap a. Next one is srap I. We make srap a first and we put this like this. So this is go this direction and this go opposite direction. So this is srap I. Next one is srap I. Similar, but we have one more step like this and like this. Srap I. Srap I like this. Srap I. This one is srap ow. Srap ow. We have this and this is srap A. We have srap A and srap A. Put them together, we get srap ow. This is srap ow. Ow. Srap ow. Srap ow. Next one is srap ow. Similar to srap ow. Srap ow. Like this, and we go up like this. This is srap ow. Srap ow. Srap ow. So this is srap ow. Next one is srap ong. Srap ong. We have this and this. This is srap ong. Srap ong. Ong. Like this. This is srap ong. Next one is srap om. Srap om is this alone. So srap om. Like this. Srap om. Srap om. Now srap am. Srap am. And this one. So we have srap and srap om together. This is srap am. Srap am. So next one is srap a. Srap a. On the right side of the consonant. Srap a. Like this. Srap a. Srap a. Next one is srap o. We have this and this. Srap o and srap a. We got srap o. So srap o. Srap o. So this is srap o. Next one is srap e. Srap e. like this. Sra, eh, eh, sra, eh. Now the last one is sra, oh, oh, like this. This is sra, oh, sra, oh, sra, oh. Sra, oh. So I hope you can write all of them, and if you have any question, you can still ask me in the comment section. Have a good time. See you in the next video.